Hi everyone, good evening. I wanted to send a quick video update to everyone based on the Premier's announcement earlier this evening. It's got a lot of post-secondary institutions up in the air. For those of you that haven't heard, we have been directed to move all of our classes online as of midnight tonight. So lots of communications going on, just ensuring that our faculty and students are aware of the change and what needs to happen. So I thought I would just provide a quick video update just to confirm probably what you've already heard from your associate dean regarding your courses if this actually impacts you. BSCN and PN programs both have clinical courses running right now, and we have been informed that clinicals and placements can continue to move forward, so no concerns there. Students and faculty are able to continue moving on into in-year clinical courses until further notice. I think there are other classes in BSCN and PN that are have been being delivered either online or face-to-face. Those classes will move to online, and Shireen should have been in contact with those of you who are impacted by that. So if you're not sure, please reach out to Shireen Bell and she can help give you some direction there. Regarding the allied health side of the school, Farm Tech, our students have just moved into placements in that program, and again we are able to continue moving forward into those placements, so good to go there. Opta, we have students who are in labs currently, and labs, of course, labs and lectures have moved to online format, so we have to figure out a solution for those students, but for now, online delivery as of tomorrow morning. Placements, when they get there, we will hopefully be good to go, and there'll be no changes to the directive by government. Kinesiology, we only are offering a few classes in that program, and all of them are currently online, so there's no impact there. And then finally, MLA and pre-health, no classes being offered in the spring term, so no impact there. I hope this gives you a little bit more clarity. Again, if you're not sure, please reach out to your associate dean. I also know that Andrea has been in contact with those employees who report to her, guiding people to stay home based on that directive that we heard earlier this evening. So I hope this helps clarify. Take care, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.